Okay, here's the XT-2 primary disassembly. I'm going to remove 4 rubbers from to expose the frame chassis screws. There's actually 2 indexing rubber posts. This is the front grip. This is the back right grip. We actually have 6 flexi cables that feed from the top plate to the XT-2. And by the way, you should never disassemble your XT-2. This is not like a how-to repair, because there's no such thing really as camera repair anymore. By camera repair, we mean parts replacement. It's not like you're going to open your camera up and fix it. Anyway, this one took a deep dive and some deep water, which there's really no indications thereof on this one, but it did. Got four top and 2 bottom, 6 total flexi cable feeds that feed to the main board on the Fujifilm XT-2. Notice 3 hand solder points here. This is the vertical grip feed, which has data control here, and these are grounding points here. Anyway, this feed is for the ISO dial. This is for the hot shoe. This is for the EVF. This is for absolutely everything on the right side of your camera. Front command dial, rear command dial, shutter release, your shutter speed dial and the sub dial, and also the exposure comp. That is this cable here. This cable feeds the back buttons here from the XT-2 to the main board. This one feeds from the LCD to the main board. So those are the 6 flexi cables. This flexi cable feeds, the ISO dial and the sub command dial underneath the ISO, like for continuous low, continuous high, so on and so forth. Hot shoe, EVF, and everything else. And now I'm going to disassemble top display from rear and remove main board on the XT-2. Here you can actually see PC connector. This is, that's for the shutter assembly. It's a little coil for the shutter assembly. This is all magnesium chassis. Really well done. Quality. This is quality. And here's a processor right here. Yep. Alright, catch you later. This is the disassembly of the XT-2. You like these videos, you always click the link below. Tell me to jump off a cliff, whatever makes you happy. By the way, do not try to fix your own cameras, okay? Do not. Yeah, there's only one indication of this camera taking a deep dive, and it's right there. So it got quickly dried out, but nevertheless it got totaled.